In this video, I'm going to show you how to section in Revit. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open a plan view, and then you want to go to the section tool. So you'll find this inside the view tab up top, and then from here you can find section. So you simply want to click on it, and it's going to basically enable the section tool. And now from here, you want to basically click 2 points to draw your cutting line. So I'm going to create a section over here in the middle. Of course, it's up to you what you do here. I just have a sample project where I'm going to show you how to perform this. So I'm going to click for the first time, and then I'm going to drag it over and then click for the second time. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to create your section. And then over here, top left, you can see it's called section, and you'll find it inside architectural over here. And if I go down, you'll see sections, building sections, and then working sections as well. Okay. So in here, you can find them. As you can see, the section I created is going to be over here. And if you create more of them, you'll see them in here. So I can just go and click on this one. For example, when I double click it, it's going to open up this section as a separate tab view over here. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.